People, welcome to the Politricks watch. This is Happy. Now, by now you'd have heard St. James real hot right now. Even Hanover, yes, Hanover. Who know the date would come when time when I say Hanover get well hot. I can talk about it because I'm sure you'd have heard say, quote unquote artist linked to the 6th is among the dead. Before I'm going to that, for a patron birthday shout out, this one goes out to Marcus, aka Lumos, right? Living at the Queen place, the United Kingdom, right? Well, is it still considered the Queen place? Cause I mean, it's a king. They don't know, but from I understand, the king not as popular as the Queen, so yeah, they still outside the Queen place, but there's a Marcus there. So Marcus, big up yourself, right? Enjoy yourself, you don't know. Right? I know say I miss Iron Man. I know say I miss the jerk chicken. Right? And the whites on the beaches where tourists enjoy. But that's how it go. When you're in Canada, UK, Uncle some place and them place there, certain parts of Europe, right? You have to just make up your mind, say, you have to put in the work, do a little bit of miserableness, right? And then one day you go back to Iron Man, kick up your foot and relax. Like here with Iron Man people want to tell me. I don't know if man are foreign. Right, tell me say then Iron Man nah see them again. And then they give them a couple years in a year, boy, I want to go back on my yard. So Marcus, big up yourself, big up the UK massive, right? Big up the Patreon squad. I can move into the video. Over the span of about 6 to 7 days. Right? If you understand, it's about 11 people lose their life in a St. James and even Hanover, right? Get drawn into the madness in terms of bodies dropping. 11 and 7. Right? That's how quickly things escalate. Right? You see, I see the security minister come out and I say, the individuals responsible are the same individuals them who used to operate in this space, but then after those who drop them go over here, so and what the same. Of course, are the same people them. Most are the same people them. Minority of 87s commit the majority of crimes. We are starting to see the double murders become normal. All of the killing them in St. James. Double murders and triple murders. Double, triple. The reason why this can happen is because 87s have a whole heap of firepower. But 5 of them are driving a car, all 5 cannot carry a rifle. Not just that, the one them have Glock, right? Them have fire quote unquote chick Glock. Right? So once them have the switch pan, you know say a full auto. So if them put enough shot in a general area, right, people are dead. And them already, right, I catch people off guard, I sneak up on them and I shoot them at point blank range anyway. Right? And of course your firepower is your phone. So because remember you need to call the police. But just know say them well quote unquote strap up. Them can tell us say them know quote unquote know say right is this group of individuals. But them cannot about it because of course right the experts will tell you say knowing say a sci-fi shoot somebody is different from proving it in a court of law. There's a different standard. Can have a whole heap of intel in a community. Who would do what? Who would leader for the gang or run off over here so? And all of the man them were known. All of the man them were listed and walk up and down on the road the same way because can't convict them. Conviction requires somebody to turn up a court, point them out, testify, get cross-examined. Right? It's a whole different ball game. Matter of fact, remember in the video with C4 where him say, right, he might tell them say, them man do this, them man do that, right? The response was, we know. Tell us something we wanna know. But how much longer we are gonna just know and know. I can't know about it. Now, as me say, I used to link to the 6. I wonder if the 6 means 6 feet under because I be across is associated with the 6 right now. But you should then call my dog. You see him in the picture standing next to a dog. So my dog was among the 3 people who got killed and left by the roadside in a place they call Mountain Zion. Spread them out on the roadside. Everybody can see. That was done deliberately. Residents, I say, man I down that road. When I feel understand, say, 87 is the one hide them bodies there, them that hide it. But by sprinkling them out on the road, one over here, so make everybody can see it. Them know say, right, that is a much louder message. 87 love to send messages. Because 87 understand optics. Them know say, killing somebody and then carry them run one bush don't have the same effect as killing 3 people and throwing them in the middle of the road to make everybody see. So it look like the St. James make up their mind say they will not get outdone by Clarendon. They might try to claim back a spot where, let's just say, is nothing to be proud of. Now I know say them type of video and I'm on the US, him shot him and him shot him. But want to know focus on the broader picture right there. So. When the security minister come out and say, right, them know say, I demand them, right, who did they about before this and do before that. But I understand say, it points to the same story, right, of the failure to remove, right, the killers them off of the streets. As long as the man them that road, these things will happen. Because they may lay low, feel out the place, and wait for an opportunity to strike. Remember, a lot of these are proximity killings. Right? Just like I telling you yesterday in the clan video. You can't just stomp them in their head. Right? It has to be a body shot, and then drop on their knees. And I do some local jab. Right? They might get some punches, but another real knockout blow. Because the decision makers them are slow. Go back and listen about 2 years now, may I tell you, St. James need a whole lot more, right, of those mobile police, the biker police them. Slowly, them buy one little 5 bike, one little 10 bike. Enough of the money that should have been spent training and developing the JCF, investing in human resources, was spent, wasted on Mickey Mouse programs that turned out to be absolutely useless, and enough of the money can't even be accounted for. See, me can do the video talking about, him shot him and him shot him, but sometimes, right, I have to move from that and talk about the bigger picture. It's a JCF the exhibition at the end. Enough for the equipment, enough for the training, enough for should have in a JCF hand long time. But they make man tell them, so we don't need to invest in no security forces. What we need to do is invest in this program. Yeah, that's what we need, the program. And then when they realize, say, oh, well, after 10 years and billions wasted, now they want to invest in a police force. So how long this training and equipment have come to fruition and show some kind of results? Because it take time to distribute it out to the force and make the force get used to it. Years now, people actually in the field that tell them, say, need this. And I'm sitting on them and I'm going to spend much billions for Mickey Mouse program. Now we might try to play a catch up. St. James is a place where you have to fool it up at the biker police them. You can't have the police in a station and respond to crime in a St. James. Right, nowhere for that matter, but especially in a St. James. As they shot them fire, the biker them should be heading towards the area. Right. Car fly past, run it down. This was a response thing. In 2023, police did a respond to shooting. Shooting go on, and at them time them man jump in a jeep for left station. And sometimes jeep not ready, sometimes jeep have problem and all kind of foolishness. Sometimes people, you'll be surprised to know what's still going on, man. The JCF should have been a modern, right, well-equipped force by now. This is 2023. I know them want to start buy up things and train things, and JCF officers should have been have more money, should have been gone into the training long time. The standard of JCF should have been risen long time. Right? Who forget pay rise and promoted should have get pay rise and promoted long time. Who forget fired and run away from the force should have get fired and run away long time. I'm gonna try to play a catch up in 2023 when 87s. There's a far ahead. This is like a race. Criminals are lap the security forces. Criminals are get the best. As they want a type of gun, them get it. If they want this, then get it. If they want run a program, they can do it. Right. But the people who are supposed to counter them, I get tied up in a bureaucracy. I get tied up in a paper. I get tied up in a, oh well, next year. Oh, we work on it. 87 not work on nothing. They just get it done. Right. In a film world, which is to kill, destroy, they're getting the job done. Double murders, triple murders, them are the film job. Legislation was supposed to come out. Right. We're now deep into Q2. I wanna hear no progress whatsoever. Right. Prime Minister Umbre get distracted by Haiti. Gone all kind of meeting to try to figure out what going on Haiti. And in one yard in a trouble. There should be nothing more at the forefront of your favorite leaders' arguments and discussions than getting the necessary legislation the security forces need to help fight crime in Iron Man. When it's supposed to reach May and that not sort out yet. It's pure excuses, pure soon. Meanwhile, people are drop like fly. You still have to catch the 87. You still have to hold on upon him. Witness protection program, all them things they should have been invested in heavily by now are the only thing that give a conviction. Heavy investment. That's the program they should have been investing in. But instead they were investing in social intervention program so they can feel good and sound good. Cause it sound woke. It sound good. No, I'm never see them response, but all they're gonna probably hear is that them drop some kind of SOE or something like that. But if them get legislation right, they won't need to constantly use SOEs. But let me say, take them say again, start them say the creature. Because you know, because I know murder already. Retaliation, especially somebody like my dog. Right. Man already a plan. Say somebody have to dead back. So look, see. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, don't know, more life. Politricks squad, see you circling. Bless.